Hello everyone, good morning Bacha Party. How are you? Hope you all are very fine and you will see my this video after Diwali vacation. So this is my request to you. Enjoy your festival nicely. Right. So dear students, we already started chapter number 7, festivals are fun. In this chapter you already have seen 2 lectures. Previously you have seen 2 lectures. In those 2 lectures we already discussed about so many festivals and so many things, right? So in this festival mainly you will learn about one, all about the religious festival, and number 2 about the harvesting festival. These 2 festivals you will learn in this chapter. Okay, and one more thing, I will tell you some more names of the festival also. We will discuss later, right? So first, whatever we learnt, we will take a recap. So in order to learning, we learnt about the Dashera. You already knows very well how we are celebrating Dashera, why we are celebrating Dashera, right? So this is so here I am not going to explain you something much and more, right? So then Diwali, yes, Diwali you already celebrated before few days, right? So you knows each and everything about Diwali. Yes, Lord Rama's return from after 14 years exile. Lord Rama returned back to Ayodhya, and that time people, those who are living in Ayodhya, they welcomed Lord Rama, है ना? So what did they do? They decorated entire Ayodhya very nicely, very beautifully. In the same order, we common man also doing the same kinds of celebration. We also decorating our houses, है ना? Mammas are preparing very big rangoli in front of the house. Mama is preparing so many sweet, so many special dishes, right? And yes, on this day we all worship Goddess Lakshmi, Lord Saraswati, and God Ganesha, right? So these things we all are doing, and Diwali is the festival of light because we clear the lamp, we decorate our house with the so many lights and all these things, right? Then I explained you about the Eid. Eid is the festival of the Muslim religion. Those who are believing in Muslim culture, they are celebrating Eid. So what they are doing, they are having the fast in the holy month of Ramzan, and after completing the 1 month of fasting, what they will do? Yes, they will decorate their houses, they will wear new dresses, and they will do the group prayer. They will go to the mosque, है ना? And what special dish on this day they will prepare? Yes, simaiya, meaty simaiya is prepared on this day, है ना? Then we discuss about the Christmas. We celebrated Christmas on 15th December. Every year we celebrated, and it is the birthday of Jesus Christ. People, those who are believing in Christian community, in Christian religion, they will celebrate Jesus Christ's birthday on 15th December, right? So what they are doing? Yes, this thing is very common, beta. This is very common thing. When we will celebrate the festivals, then only we decorate our house, we all will wear new dresses, we greet each other, we wish each other, we exchange the gift. These all things are very common, whether we will celebrate Diwali or we celebrate Eid or we celebrate Christmas. So these things are very common, right? So what the Christian people are doing on this day? Yes, midnight they will go to the church, they will offer the prayer, है ना? And they will cut the cake, right? And children's love to Santa Claus. They are waiting for Santa Claus. Why? Because Santa Claus give them the gift. So all the children's love to Santa Claus, right? Then Guru Parv is the birthday of 10th Guru of Sikh, है ना. So on this day, what the Punjabi people are doing? Yes, Punjabi peoples are wearing new dress. They are going in the Gurudwaras, and a big procession they will take out, right? And in the morning of Guru Parv, people go to Gurudwara and offer prayer, and they are eating. They are having the special kind of lunch, a special kind of meal, a special kind of feast, which we called langar, है ना. And they are on this day they are making very delicious food, right? Now all these festivals we already discussed in my 2 lectures, right? So today we are going to discuss about Durga Puja. So today we will start with Durga Puja, right? So on page number 42, here beta, on page number, I am showing you in front of the camera, on page number 42 there is written Durga Puja with the blue ink, right? So we are going to start learning something new and different in the chapter number 7. Okay, so shall we start? Are you ready? Okay, you all are very smart students, so you all are ready. Okay beta, but keep one thing is in your mind when you will watch this video. Get ready with your pencil, eraser and book. Whatever word I will tell you, you have to make it underline, right? Okay, shall we start? Okay, so Durga Puja. Durga Puja is mainly celebrated in West Bengal. Yes, dear students, Vidura ma'am, last year Vidura ma'am taught you maths in class 1, right? So you all knows her very well. So she is belong from West Bengal and she celebrated Durga Puja, right? So pupil, those who are living in West Bengal, they are celebrating Durga Puja. This is the huge, this is the biggest celebration of the West Bengalis pupil, right? It is a 10-day festival. How many days this festival will go on? Yes, 10 days. 10 days, right? So keep this thing is in your mind that the idol of goddess Durga are set up in the pandals for 9 days. Idol of goddess Durga. What does that mean by this? Yes, idol of goddess Durga means in Hindi we can call दुर्गा जी की जो प्रतिमाएं रखते हैं ना बेटा पंडाल में. Yes, it means that only. So idol of goddess Durga are set up in the big pandals, big and beautiful pandals, right? So on the 10th day of the idol are taken out in the big procession. और जो 10वां दिन होता है ना बेटा, उस दिन जितनी भी बड़ी सुंदर उनकी जो प्रतिमाएं होती हैं, जो मूर्तियां होती हैं, उनका प्रोसेशन निकाला जाता है, राइट? सो दे आर 10 इम्ब्रीज्ड इन होली वाटर. और क्या करते हैं? यस, जैसे हम गणेश जी की प्रतिमाओं को नदियों में विसर्जित करते हैं, वैसे ही वो दुर्गा जी की प्रतिमाओं को होली रिवर में विसर्जित कर देते हैं. दुर्गा पूजा इज द बिगेस्ट फेस्टिवल of the West Bengalis people beta. They are celebrating in a grand level, in a huge level, and pandals, especially pandals, oh my god, they are decorating so beautiful. They are having new ideas, है ना? They have new ideas how they can make the good pandals. There is a competition how we can make the beautiful pandals. My pandal, how I can make more beautiful rather than this pandal, right? So Durga Puja is the biggest festival in West Bengal. Okay. Now we will discuss about the Ganesh Chaturthi. Yes, Ganesh Chaturthi is the favorite festivals of all the children. Children loves Lord Ganesha, है ना? So whatever is written in your book, first I will read for you, then I will explain to you. Ganesh Chaturthi is a popular festival of Maharashtra. So keep this thing is in your mind that Ganesh festival comes from Maharashtra only. It is celebrated in Maharashtra only, and there is a big and huge celebration is in Maharashtra. People worship Lord Ganesha for a week. Huge idols of Sri Ganesha is set up in every house. Yes, Lord Durga's idol तो we can set up in the pandals only, है ना? But Lord Ganesha's idol we can set up in each and every house. This is the different thing between Durga Puja and Ganesh Chaturthi. This thing is different, right? Rest of all things to are very common, very similar, right? So the idol are taken out in a big procession and they are, yes, whatever process will go on during the Durga Puja in West Bengal, same process will go on in Ganesh Chaturthi also. There is no difference, but main difference is that the Durga idol of Durga we can set up in the pandals only, but idol of Ganesh we can set up each and every house easily. Okay, now move on and we will discuss about Holi. Holi is the festival of lots of enjoy, lots of fun. Especially the children, the kids, they feel very happy, so very happy, excited during this festival, right? So Holi comes in the month of February. In which month Holi will come? Yes, Holi will come in the month of February as well as March. Sometimes it will come in the month of February and sometimes it will come in the March only. These 2 months is decided for Holi celebration, right? On Holi people play with colors. They throw colors and gulals on each other. Yes, people, children, man, women, grandfather, everybody, those who are believing in Hindu tradition, Hindu culture, they will, Hindu rituals, they will celebrate this festival, and everyone is applying gulal on each other's face, है ना? Children loves to play color with the pichkari, right? So children use pichkari to spray colored water. They sing and dance. Holi is the called of festival of colors. Holi is the festival of color. Keep this thing is in your mind, है ना? Beta, these all things are very easy to you. Why I am telling this? Because all the religious festival we all are celebrating at our homes, and whatever is process is there, we can see nicely. We can ask with our mama, we can ask with our papa how we are celebrating, why we are celebrating, what is the rituals which we are performing on this special day. So each and everything we can ask from our parents, with our parents, our grandparents, right? So Diwali is the festival of light, Holi is the festival of color, Christmas we all are celebrating on 25th of December, है ना? And Durga Puja is celebrated in West Bengal. And Guru Parv is celebrated by the Punjabi community, by the Punjabi peoples, right? And Eid is celebrated by the Muslim peoples. They are offering group prayer, they are making special dish which we call Sivaiya, right? So these are the common things. You will keep it over here, right? Okay, now we will discuss about Baisakhi on page number 41. On page number 41, we will discuss about Baisakhi. So, Baisakhi is celebrated in which state? Yes, Baisakhi is celebrated in Punjab. It is the famous festival. It is the famous harvesting festival of Punjab. It comes in the month of April, and the date is very much decided. Yes, 13th April. Each year, every year, all the Punjabi pupils are celebrating Baisakhi on 13th April. So what the Punjabi pupil on they will doing on this day? Yes, pupils sing and dance beats of drums. Baisakhi is the famous for Bhangra dance. So what the Punjabi people are doing? Yes, they are wearing new clothes and they are dancing, they are beating the drums. And man, yes, Baisakhi is very famous for Bhangra dance. Which dance? Bhangra dance. See, this Bhangra dance is famous for men, but what about women? What they are doing? Yes, they are performing the Giddha. So Giddha is the famous dance for women in Punjab, and Bhangra is famous dance for man in Punjab, especially during the festivals. And Punjabi people love to celebrate, love to enjoy the festivals. And their dance, their Bhangra is very famous, not only in Punjab, not only in India, but it is famous in all over India. Okay? Okay, now move on and we will discuss about Pongal. Here, again, this wala beta, Pongal. Right? So, whatever is written in this paragraph, I will read, then we will discuss. Okay, Pongal is the main festival of Tamil Nadu. So, you have to make it, underline this line number 1. Pongal is the main festival of Tamil Nadu. You have to keep it over here. Pongal is the main festival of Tamil Nadu. So, do it, underline, make it underline. It is celebrated for 3 days. How many days this celebration will go on? 3 days. It is celebrated for 3 days, right? So on the first day called Bhogi Pongal, what they will celebrate on day 1? Yes, day 1 they will celebrate the Bhogi Pongal, and the god of rain is worshipped. Or what they are doing? Yes, they are doing the god of rain. We Indians are worshipping each and every god and goddess बेटा, चाहे वो बारिश के जो इंद्र देवता हो उनकी भी पूजा होती है. Without rain, we human beings, animals, plants, nobody can survive in this world. We knows well that nobody can survive in this world without rain, without water. So it is necessary, it is our foremost duty that we have to worship goddess Indra. Right, okay. Now, on the second day called Surya Pongal. Second day का नाम क्या है? Yes, the name of the second day, the celebration of second day is Surya Pongal. So what they are doing? Yes, this sun god is worshipped. So on the second day, they will worship of goddess sun. They will perform their own rituals. Whatever rituals they have, they adopted from their parents to their parents. They will perform each and every rituals when they will celebrate festivals. Right? So first day भोंगी पोंगल. इस दिन क्या करते हैं? इस दिन वो बारिश के जो इंद्र देवता होते हैं, they will worship God rain, right? And second day they will worship God Surya. सूरज की, in Hindi we can say सूर्य की पूजा करना, सूरज की पूजा करना, right? And the third day is called Matu Pongal. The mother cow is worshipped. So तीसरा दिन जो होता है ना बेटा, थर्ड डे पे जो मदर काउ होती है, सी एवरी whether we will talk about the man or women, when we will talk about the animals, see male and female, masculine and feminine, these are the two genders which is common not only for human beings but it is common in animals also, it is common in birds also. So on third day वो क्या करते हैं, वो मदर काउ की पूजा करते हैं. And Pongal rice is a special sweet dish prepared on this day. So what is a special dish they will prepare on this day? Yes, sweet rice, meethe chawal. So you have to make it underline the special dish prepared on this day. It is sweet rice, right? So Pongal is the main festival of which state? Number 1, Tamil Nadu. Pongal is the main festival of Tamil Nadu. Number 2, how many days this celebration will go on? 3 days. How many days this celebration will go on? 3 days. So first day what they are doing? What the Tamil Nadu people are doing on first day? Yes, पहले दिन वो इंद्र देवता बारिश के भगवान की पूजा करते हैं. सेकंड डे यस सूर्य देवता सूरज की पूजा करते हैं. एंड थर्ड डे मदर काउ की पूजा करते हैं. एंड व्हाट स्पेशल डिश दे विल प्रिपेयर ऑन दिस डे? द नेम ऑफ दिस डिश इज स्वीट राइस. अंडरस्टैंड ऑल द थिंग्स? If you can't, you can tell me, I will explain to you again, right? So now we will discuss about the Onam. We will discuss about the Onam. This wala beta. Okay, this is the last paragraph of the chapter. Onam, whatever is written, first I will read for you, then I will explain. Onam is the main festival of Kerala. So this line you have to make it underline. Onam is the main festival of Kerala. Onam is the main festival of where? Kerala. Kerala is the right answer. It comes in the month of August. So in which month Keralian people are celebrating Onam? In the month of August. In the month of August. And August month will come in the during rainy season. August month comes in during rainy season. In the month of August it is heavy rainfall. Heavy rainfall is in the month of August. Okay. So August and September. This is the rainy season's time. This is the duration of rainy season. Right? So Onam is the main festival of which state? Kerala. Number 2, in which month they will celebrate Onam? So the answer is August and September. Right? What the people are doing on this day? Definitely people decorate their houses with flowers. People decorate their houses with flowers. The elephants are decorated and taken out in the big procession. So what is different thing in this festival? Onam, yes, people decorate their own elephant. Beta, Kerala is very famous for elephants. There are so many elephants are there in Kerala, and they are supporting for the work, है ना? जो हाथी होते हैं वो केरल में बहुत सारे हैं, और जो वहाँ पर जो हाथी होते हैं ना बेटा, वहाँ के लोगों की बहुत सारे कामों में मदद करते हैं. इसलिए वो क्या करते हैं, वो उस दिन उन सारे एलिफेंट्स को बहुत सुंदर तरीके से सजाते हैं और एक उनका बहुत शानदार सा प्रोसेशन शहर में निकाला जाता है. एंड वन मेन थिंग इज देयर, बोट रेस जो होती है वो, that is the main attraction of Onam. See, look at in the picture. You can see in the picture also. This is a very big boat. This is a very big boat, and boat race. You have seen cycle race, you have seen motorbike race, you have seen car race, but I don't think so you have seen the boat race. This boat race is very, very, very famous in Kerala, and it is held only Onam. Right? The boats are called snake boat. What is the name of this kind of boat? Snake boat. क्यों? क्योंकि ये सांप की तरह दिखती है. See, when you will see it carefully, ना, you can see this is the shape of this boat is like snake, है ना? Okay, so we learnt all about the festivals, and here are some more festivals. Which of these do you celebrate? Raksha Bandhan, Navratri, Mahavir Jayanti and Buddha Jayanti. So some names are given over here, and some more festivals we all Indians are celebrating according to our custom, according to our religion, according to our tradition, according to our rituals. We all are celebrating some more festivals also. So in my next lecture we will discuss about some more festival which is not given in the chapter in the book only, but we will discuss. We will not going to discuss very deeply. We will discuss in shortly, and when you will see my next lecture, in that lecture we will discuss some more festivals which is not given in the book, and we will write the new words of the chapter. Right? So till then, bye bye, have a nice day, God bless you all, and keep reading, keep watching. Bye.